Welcome to RES IT Store Tutorial 6100, Building Blocks. This tutorial explains how to use the building block functionality in the IT Store. With building blocks, you can store all settings related to services and organizational context items as external XML files. Because you can import these settings again into the RES IT Store environment at a later stage, this makes it possible to back up services and organizational context items and to transport them from one RES IT Store environment to another. With building blocks, it is no longer necessary to spend valuable time on reconfiguring the RES IT Store environment manually. This makes building blocks very useful as a change configuration and change management solution, but also as a backup solution to facilitate disaster recovery. Building blocks can also serve as templates based on best practices. This is very useful for system integrators who configure new environments at customer sites. Not only does it save configuration time, but this makes it possible to adopt and take advantage of already existing configurations. Building blocks can be created from various context menus in the sections Service Catalog and Organization. From the IT Store console, click on Service Catalog. To create a building block of all services, right-click on the category Services in the Service Catalog section and choose Create Building Block Services. To create a building block for a specific service category, including the services it contains, right-click on the category in the Service Catalog section and choose Create Building Blocks. To create a building block for a specific service, right-click the service in the Service Catalog section and choose Create Building Blocks. For this exercise, we'll select Services on the top level to create building blocks for all of our services. When you create a building block, any item related to the service that will also be included in the building blocks. These include settings, service attributes, people attributes, organizational attributes, people identifiers, organizational context items, related services, and smart roles. Similar to creating building blocks for services, you can create building blocks for all organizational context items or individual organizational context items. Click on the Organization section. To create building blocks of all organizational context items, right-click the folder Organization in the Organization section and choose Create Building Blocks Organization. Now let's import the services building blocks that we created earlier. Click Services Catalog, right-click the services, and select Import Building Blocks. Navigate to this XML file we saved earlier and open. Select Import. Select Overwrite Items if the item already exists to update any existing items with the data of the building blocks. If related items do not exist in the RES IT Store environment, they will be created using the data from the building block. Select Create New Items to create new items if services, related information, and organizational context items with the same name at the same level already exist in the receiving RES IT Store environment. When selecting this option, the new items will get a unique number within brackets behind the name. The option, Enable Services After Import, is only available when importing building blocks that contain services. When selecting this option, the options Show in Catalogs, Show in Clients, and Enable Transaction on the Properties tab of each service will automatically be selected. Click OK to import the building blocks. The Please Select Items to Import window will show the items being imported. Now let's take a look at our service catalog again. As you can see, all of our services have been re-imported via the building blocks. This concludes this RES IT Store tutorial. For additional information on RES IT Store and RES IT Suite, please visit www.ressoftware.com.